So I'm on my way to my daughter's sports day at school, and I'm running late, and this is what I have to run into. But still a beautiful misty day nonetheless, not too sunny, so I won't be getting sunburnt. But I am late nonetheless. Double barrier, so I can't overtake, you know, not at this moment. But welcome back to Full Speed, guys, and welcome back to another video. I don't know what we are getting into today besides my daughter's sports day, but let's just call this a vlog and let's just see what we can get into or what we can get up to. Oh look, the barrier is gone. Let's go. Alright guys, I gotta concentrate since I gotta get there ASAP, so I'll catch up with you guys at the school. Just look at this fog, guys. Usually by now you'd be able to see the ocean right ahead. Just look at this fog. You can only see about 100 meters in front of me. And back home at the farm there's no fog at all. It's crazy how the weather changes here on the south coast. Oh, we just drove over my trademarks, or my marks, my skid marks. Anyway, back to driving. Why is it that whenever you're late for something, there is always someone that wants to drive 60 k's an hour when it's not necessary? Or 40 for this. Well, okay, they're doing 80, but I need to go way faster than 80 right now. I got 5 minutes to be where I need to be. Oh man, I can't overtake because of the mist and the double barrier and this old lady, or old man, old couple. No offense. Ah, look at it. Okay, there we go. This is our gap. Let's go. And now I still gotta drive slow because I can't see anything. Just look at that, guys. Can't see nothing. I literally can't see anything. What? Just a beautiful Friday morning here on the south coast in the Western Cape. This is crazy, guys. Anyway, I'll catch up with you in a bit. That's it, baby. 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 Yes! Yes! There we go. Yes, Mela. You were almost number one. It's okay, baby. 370. Spotted. Look at that beauty. Car spotting in George, as usual, and I had to run into this beast. 6-liter SS. Look at the wheel on that thing. Some 19s. Hope I get to hear it. Oh baby. Oh yes. What a beauty. Come on guys, how can you not love an SS? Look at this thing. What a beauty. This is the owner of the car wash that owns this very nice looking T86. Yes guys, in South Africa it's called a T86, not a BRZ, whatever. What do they call it? BRZ something something. Loving the wheel. Welcome back to Full Speed SA guys. Today we are going to be getting up to some general maintenance work. I wouldn't say general maintenance. I have a leak on the power steering, somewhere on the power steering line or on the power steering pump. I keep losing ATF, so I'm going to check it out. As you can see over there, it looks to me like we might have a washer, copper washer that is given in. But I did notice dripping of the oil down at the bottom. It could be the oil just running down from here, or something else could be leaking at the bottom of the whole system. So I'm gonna jack the car up, check that out, and at the same time we're also going to be doing the handbrake. We're going to be setting the handbrake so that we can finally put this car through the test, because I've been wanting to do this ever since I got the car, obviously. The car has already been put on my name and so on, but we need to get it through the test so that we can register it and put the new number plate on, etc, etc. But obviously I had to wait for parts to come from Australia. I had to change the rack ends and tie rod ends, and as soon as that was fixed, this problem came up, as well as the handbrake problem. So as soon as I get that sorted out, we should be good to go. So hope you guys stick around, and let's get to this general maintenance. So there doesn't seem to be any leak here on the top, or rather there doesn't seem to be a need for a washer over here. There wasn't a washer here in the first place. So I just tightened everything up, gave it a bit of a wipe down, and now I'm gonna jack the car up and see what I can find at the bottom. Now I do know when I replaced the rack ends that there was a leak on the driver's side by one of the rack ends, so it could also have something to do with that. Maybe that will be the big problem that we have to solve, but let's see. There we have our leak dripping. Come, drip, drip, drip. Drip. There you go. That's where we are leaking our power steering oil. I knew about this leak. You guys saw when we replaced the rack ends. So I don't know if there is a seal that you can replace inside of here. I'm not sure if there's a seal. I did also realize that my control arm bushes are shot. They are, especially this side. That side not too bad, But nonetheless, that would also explain why the vibration in my steering wheel has not subsided completely. It has subsided a bit, but not altogether. So we have a little bit of work to do here, guys. We have a little bit of work to do here before we can do anything. Maybe I can get away with getting it through the test. I'll find out from the guys before I do anything crazy. But yeah, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Let's see. Rear main seals stop leaking all of it. Or it's just leaking out the other side here. This is still the oil, the power steering oil. Okay. At least we know what the problem is, you know. At least we know what the problem is, and it sucks to have a little annoying problem like this. But that's cars, bro. That's just how it is. They will always give you ish. A bit of a breather pipe over there. Alright, so don't think we'll be fixing this problem today. I will find out from the guys who know better than me about these cars what I can do. I tell you, this control arm situation is one of the worst situations to have. Just makes your drive so uncomfortable, makes the car feel so unsafe, and probably makes the car unsafe. So yeah, that's something I'm gonna have to tackle very urgently and very soon, and hopefully I'll have the money to sort it out, you know, to either get new bushes pressed in, or I don't know, get new bushes shipped in from overseas. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I need to tackle it ASAP. So yeah, it's just one of those things, eh? As usual. Just listen to it. Oh man, I'm not gonna put you guys through this pain. Oh, yeah, so I have to top her up with power steering fluid every third day or so, which is quite annoying and quite expensive, but that's just what I'm gonna have to do for now until I can sort out that leak. Well guys, that's a little bit of an update on the Lumina SS. I figured, you know what, wherever I'm gonna take it to get the leak sorted, I might as well get the handbrake set there as well, so I'm not gonna get my hands any more dirty. But it will probably be in the week that I'll be getting that stuff done, so I'll see you guys over there.
I never answer to no's, man, I still go.